Hey guys, may nagre-request na pagsamasamahin ko doon sa isang videos lahat ng formulas ng lahat ng tenses. So since medyo marami tayong isusulat, mag-paper muna tayo for today's video kasi hindi siya kakasya sa chalkboard. Masyado na siyang maliit. Dito muna tayo sa simple tenses. Present perfect, either base form ng verb for plural nouns, pronouns I, you, we, they, or verb plus S or ES kapag singular nouns or pronouns he, she, it. So halimbawa, ang verb natin ay work, ang simple present, work or works. Simple past naman, past form lang yan ng verb. So, may mga regular, may mga irregular verbs. Ang work ay regular verb. So, add lang natin siya ng ed. So, worked. Simple future naman, will plus base verb. So, will work. Ito naman tayo sa mga perfect tenses. Present perfect, has or have plus past participle. Again, has for singular nouns, pronouns he, she, it. Have for plural nouns or pronouns I, you, we, they. So, pwedeng has worked or have worked. Past perfect naman, had lang plus past participle. So, kahit na singular plural man yung subject, wala tayong problema, had lang yan. So, had plus past participle ng work, which is worked, had worked. Future perfect naman, will have plus past participle pa rin. So, will have worked. Dito naman tayo sa mga progressive. Present progressive, am, is, or are plus verb in ing. Halimbawa, I am working. Am working, is working, or are working. Past progressive naman, was or were plus verb in ing. Was working. Future progressive naman, will be plus verb in ing. So, will be working. Finally, dito tayo sa mga perfect progressive tenses. Present perfect progressive, has or have been plus verb in ing. She has been working. Past perfect progressive naman, had lang plus been plus verb in ing. So, had been working. Lastly, future perfect progressive, will have plus been plus verb in ing. So, that's will have been working. So, yan na lahat ng formulas for all the tenses. By the way, ito nga pala yung gamit kong gel pen, guys. Diba, ang ganda niya ipang sulat. And sobrang mura niya. Tignan nyo, meron ka ng 30 pieces for just 200 something pesos. So, dagdag ko to sa mga records ko sa inyo. Yun lang. Bye!